No, it's fine. It's kind of nice. Look, really nice to feel the water between my toes while I'm at work. Did that go according to plan?
Yes, I think so. A little bit at least. We have plenty of spectacular stunts ready to show the patrons here at the Mandurah Boat Show. All water sports are inherently dangerous, but this, with the right training, is quite safe.
So what sort of has there ever been any serious accidents?
No, not that we know of. There hasn't been any serious accidents. There's been plenty of funny moments though, without a doubt. Falling out of the sky, at least the water is soft.
That's great. And can I just get you to say your first and last name?
Yep, Greg Weege, Monaco Aces Jetpack+Team. Okay, we'll whack you in a wetsuit, put you in a stand, you can stand here like that, we'll start, you can go.
That'd be fantastic.
Say whatever you want. And then we'll go off in the background.
Yes, two of these diesel engines drive the beast.
Yeah.